Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ledger Nano X on phone. Start by installing Ledger Live Mobile, enable Bluetooth, and follow the pairing prompts on both devices. Update firmware when prompted, and only accept official Ledger updates. Set a strong PIN and write down your 24-word recovery phrase on a secure backup. Practice sending a small test transaction first to confirm everything works before moving larger amounts. Start by keeping your 24-word recovery phrase completely offline and never photograph or type it into your phone. Confirm the Ledger Nano X device screen matches Ledger Live prompts before approving any transaction. Use a strong PIN on the device and enable your phone's passcode plus biometric lock for layered security. Consider a discrete metal backup for the recovery phrase to guard against fire or water damage. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep salads fresh and sauces contained, perfect for busy crypto users on the go. They nest neatly, are easy to clean, and save time when managing meals between trades. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Install the specific coin apps you need through Ledger Live Mobile and open them on the Nano X when prompted. Always confirm recipient address, amount, and fee directly on the device screen before approving a transaction to avoid address spoofing. Use a small test transfer to validate the full process and keep an eye on network fees displayed in Ledger Live. If anything looks off, cancel and troubleshoot before proceeding further.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.